Unraveling the Mystery, Understanding, I Can't Fathom This. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that might sound a bit puzzling at first. I can't fathom this. Stick around as we break it down, explain its meaning, and show you how to use it in your everyday conversations. The word fathom originally referred to a unit of measurement used to measure the depth of water, equal to 6 feet. However, its metaphorical use has become much more common in modern English. When someone says they can't fathom something, they're expressing that they find it difficult to understand, comprehend, or grasp the idea, concept, or situation at hand. When you hear or use, I can't fathom this, you're essentially saying that something is beyond your understanding or too complex to easily grasp. It can apply to a wide range of scenarios, from complicated scientific theories to someone's unexpected behavior. Let's look at some examples to clarify how you might use this phrase. In reaction to surprising news, I just heard that Sam quit his job out of the blue. I can't fathom this. He loved his work. When faced with a complex problem, I've been staring at this math problem for hours, but I can't fathom this equation at all. Expressing empathy. After hearing about the hardships you've been through, I truly can't fathom what you're feeling right now. To expand your vocabulary, here are some synonyms you can use in place of I can't fathom this. I can't understand this. It's beyond my comprehension. I can't wrap my head around this. And there you have it. A closer look at the phrase, I can't fathom this. We hope this explanation helps you better understand its meaning and feel more confident using it in your English conversations. Remember, the beauty of language lies in its complexity and depth, much like the ocean fathoms it originated from. Keep exploring, and you'll find your comprehension deepening with each new phrase you master. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.